Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Welcome on the today live show. So the London Hardfork, Ethereum London Hardfork is successful. So it succeeded, and this will be our main topic today. And also we will get back to our yesterday topic, the helium miners, the free helium miners. And also we have great news from the SEC chairman. He hints that Bitcoin ETF could come soon. So I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news every day to keep you updated and educated to take benefit in this amazing developing market. Let's share my screen and check our favorite bubble chart, how the crypto market is performing today. Very well, everything's in green. Almost all the altcoins are in green. Just few AMP, Axis, Infinity, XDC, Luna are in red. But these coins pumped so huge in the past weeks, days that it's not strange that they are correcting now. But other coins are pumping. Aave, Comp, almost 10%, Synthetics 11, Theta 10, Uniswap 8, BitTorrent almost 10, Angold 6. So nice to see you, and all these coins pumping. Solana also broke the resistance. Sushi, so almost DeFi coins and other DeFi coins pumping the most. These are DeFi coins. Let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, how the market is, what is the market sentiment, and we see the market sentiment is neutral, so is at 50, and yesterday it was small in fear, and a few days ago it was for 2 days in greed, and you see that in the past 3 months the greed fear index spent almost around 20 in the extreme fear category. And you know, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. When investors are too greedy, that means that market is due for a correction. But you know, guys, nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. This is purely for education and entertainment purposes only. So you see that the fear and greed index reached 50, then 60, and now back to 50. So now consolidating, and the market sentiment is getting more and more. Okay, let's check what we do have. Ethereum 4 completed. Yeah, it's completed. So yeah, we can go out and celebrate all these upgrades. Ethereum improvement proposals. AIP means Ethereum improvement proposals, and these are numbers. And what else do we have here? Let's see. Okay, let's check the money movers. Which blockchain is setting more value? Ethereum, almost 22 billion US dollar per day, and Bitcoin 6.7 billion per day. So this is just the value settled by the blockchain. And let's check this, the ultrasound awakening. Track ETH become ultrasound, and guys, 2,200, so 2,300 Ethereum has been burned. So all these Ethereum just went away, and all this Ethereum died. Oh, dying every minute, a few Ethereums. So almost 2,300 Ethereum was burned from the starting of the London upgrade, and everything is working well in accounts, in contracts, and staking. So this is how we see that Ethereum supply, and we see that more and more percentage of the total supply is in staking and in smart contracts. Okay, so guys, that we can celebrate it. Let's go to our next news. That was the news that Ethereum community gears up for the long-awaited London fork, set to go live in August 5th, so today. Oh yes, we all know that because it succeeded. Yes. Okay, Jeremy Gardner, man, I'm so ready for Ethereum 2.0. I was literally talking about it since before ETH even launched. I don't believe most people truly understand how game-changing Serenity will be. Dapps like Augur project will be 100 times more efficient and usable. So Jeremy Gardner is a really great guy. I just visited him in San Francisco in the crypto castle and spent a few days there. So really nice community in San Francisco. And this is the Ethereum improvement proposal and the 1559, the fee market change for Ethereum 1.0 chain that we should experience some fee changing and reduction in refunds and all other protocols. And the big change will come when the Ethereum 1.0 and Ethereum 2.1 will merge somewhere in December or next year, January. So that's a huge news, and we are really, really happy. On CNBC, Ethereum just activated a major change called the London Hardfork. Here is why it is a big deal. Ethereum's London Hardfork has just activated and its major change. One of the chances alter the way transactions fees are calculated, ideally smoothing them out and making them less volatile. Another change essentially sets the stage for major transformation of Ethereum that will make it harder for miners to earn money and could eventually make mining irrelevant because Ethereum will move to proof of stake, as you know, at the end of the year or beginning next year. Countdown to Ethereum's London Hardfork, what you need to know. Okay. Radical changing, redesigning of the network fee market. So the fee market is changing. Okay. Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, has a prescribed and kept supply schedule that fuels an important part of its narrative with investors as digital gold. Okay, AIP 155, and let's see, AIP 1559 could burn most of ETH annual supply increase. So this is the cumulative ETH burns. So actually what the supply created, almost the same amount can be burned. So the Ethereum supply is not improving. So there are some risks that an optional inclusion fee paid electively by users seeking priority for the transactions. And okay, if a large share of Ethereum miners exit or revolt, block times and network security would be negatively affected. Yeah, but guys, these are not so huge risk. I think more benefits what Ethereum 2.0 brings us. We will get with other Ethereum related news, but now let's check this news from SEC Chairman Gary Gensler hints at Bitcoin ETF stricter rules. So now also the SEC Chairman is is just dealing with this Bitcoin ETF. I think more than 15 ETFs have been submitted to the SEC, and now they should do something with this because all these major banks and major financiers submitted their applications, and now they are just waiting how to go forward. Given these important protections, I look forward to the staff reviews of such filings, particularly if those are limited to these CME-traded Bitcoin futures. Will cryptocurrency be traded as securities? Right now, we just don't have enough investor protection in crypto. Frankly, at this time, it's more likely the Wild West. This asset class is rife with fraud, scams, and abuse in certain applications. If we don't address these issues, I worry a lot of people will be hurt. Yeah, guys, so definitely a lot of scammers and giveaways. Just also be careful, because on our YouTube videos, during our lives, scammers are contacting and writing weird messages in the chat. So don't fall to these scammers. But this is a good sign that they are working on it, and he's expecting stricter regulations, rules on ETFs. A huge news that Grayscale appoints finance industry veteran as head of global ETFs. Grayscale appointed David Laval, a veteran of State Street, to fill a new position at the company dedicated to ETFs. Okay. Laval appointment suggests Grayscale expects SEC approval for an ETF is imminent. Maybe Grayscale knows something, because Grayscale is the biggest Bitcoin investor through their trust, and I think also Grayscale is preparing that they will convert their Bitcoin shares and Ethereum shares to ETFs once the SEC approves the ETFs, and they will immediately convert their shares into ETFs. And as they are hiring this professional veteran, that means for me that they are really also talking to the SEC, and they are preparing for this. The next piece of news: crypto exchange giant Binance plans to bring BTC payments to Shopify. I think that was the news yesterday, but just I wrote it back because I find it really important. So Binance announced a partnership with crypto fiat hybrid payment platform Alchemy Pay to enable peer-to-peer crypto payments at over 2 million global merchants through its payment application Binance Pay. So guys, over 2 million merchants, 2 million endpoints, 2 million. And also they are including e-commerce giant Shopify, software technology company Arcadia, mobile payment provider QFPay, and others. So also Shopify is huge, because most of the e-commerce and web shops are using Shopify, and as Shopify will integrate crypto payments, then all web shops and all e-commerce will adjust and will accept crypto for payments. So that's a huge news. Just cannot wait to pay everywhere with crypto. So Indian Olympic medal winners to get free Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, I don't know from which country you are, but let me know in the chat if in your country the Olympic medal winners getting some free Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think they will be very happy. And it's also quite interesting news, because India was in the news in every 2 weeks that they are banning Bitcoin, they are bashing Bitcoin, they are sending jail crypto holders. But now they are getting more interested, and they are starting to embrace crypto, and now they are giving crypto to the Olympic medal winners. Faster, higher, stronger, and earn crypto. So that's a huge motivation, guys. That's a huge motivation. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been the best performing assets in the last decade and have given exceptional returns, and we aim to get our winners indulge in this rewarding journey. Indians love cryptocurrencies. I would rather put my money in crypto than gold, but also Indians love gold. Crypto is more transparent than gold or assets and yields higher returns in a shorter period of time. They find it easier to invest in crypto than gold because the process is so much simpler. You go online, you can buy crypto, you don't have to verify, unlike gold. So that's a huge news. And also it's somehow strange for me because India was really a gold lover, and now they are shifting to crypto. Next piece of news, Nasdaq halts Robinhood trading 5 times amid double-digit rise. The stock behind the popular trading app has been paused 3 times amid an extremely volatile trading window. So guys, you know, Robinhood is a favorite trading app also for shares and stocks like GameStop and you know this GameStop story, and also crypto is traded on Robinhood. Robinhood is one of the biggest maybe Dogecoin holder and whatever, because all these meme coins are bought on through Robinhood. And Robinhood did an IPO, and the token name is Hood, and it was really volatile, so they stopped 3 times. So this is what you cannot do with crypto, that stopping the trading because the volatility is here. So GameStop, AMC theaters, Bed Bath and Beyond, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin are the most important assets traded on Robinhood. The next piece of news. New Spanish bill aims to enable mortgage payment in crypto. Why is so huge news? Because you can also just move to Spain and you are purchasing a nice villa on the seaside, and you are taking a mortgage, and then you are using your crypto in DeFi, and you are trading it, and you are just growing your crypto balance, and you are paying your mortgage with your increasing high valued crypto assets. So that's a huge news, and I think many others will follow. Celsius CEO still sees Bitcoin finishing the year between 140,000 and 160,000 range. Bitcoin mere purpose is a store of value, right? It's not an exceptional for a payment. I think the dollar is the opposite. It's an exceptional form of payment, but not a very good store of value. I think there are many cryptocurrencies or digital assets that serve the purpose better, mostly stable coins and other forms of digital assets. So I don't think we should take these pristine assets and try to use it to clean the windows or something else with it. It's very good for one thing, and that's store of value, and that's what you should be using it for. I think we are also hitting some resistance here in the 40,000 to 45,000 levels, and there is not a lot of resistance around that. So I think we are going to consolidate here and break to the new highs. I still stand my prediction that in this year 140 and between 160,000 US dollar. And also, Celsius CEO mentioned, there was an article that Ethereum already flipped Bitcoin on Celsius, because more people and more higher amount is in Ethereum, that people investing in crypto savings and depositing in Ethereum than in Bitcoin. So already flipped on Celsius. And now let's get into Ethereum related news. ETH 2.0 will help Ether outpace Bitcoin, Panther Capital CEO. Okay, the London Hardfork, newer cryptocurrency. Yes, the upgrade will help the digital token to trade more like a fixed asset. Introducing a minimum payment for sending Ethereum transactions as move away from bidding systems that allows miners to prioritize the highest bid. Okay, Ethereum mining energy consumption levels compared with one of the Bitcoin. Ethereum's wide implementation in decentralized finance application would also help Ether grow bigger than Bitcoin, he said. The CEO reportedly predicted that Bitcoin would trade between 80 and 90,000 by the end of this year, rising about 120,000 within a year, and Bitcoin priced to as high as 700,000 in the next decade. Okay, Ethereum market cap at 290 billion at the time of writing this article, and moving from proof of work to proof of stake, meaning that the network would mostly rely on staking instead of mining. So guys, that's a Huge news, and Panther Capital is one of the oldest and well-known investor in crypto. 3 reasons why Ethereum can hit 3,000 in the short term despite overvaluation risk. Okay, yeah, we see that there was a wedge, this falling wedge, and Ethereum broke up, and also there was W pattern and Ethereum broke up. The hype built up with the forthcoming London hard fork is not reflective of the current price trend. Ethereum is currently seeing a retracement. It confirms that the sellers are deliberately lowering the price for a post-upgrade price dump. So I think that it's actually this price pump, it's happening right now, but we will check it on the charts. Okay. The bullish trio, let's check this. These are the most important indicators, and let's check what are these. Okay, so this is the Ethereum price, and these are the spot exchange inflow and outflow, and we see huge outflows from exchanges, so less and less Ethereums are on exchanges. This is the Ethereum price, and this blue one is the amount of Ethereum hold on exchanges. From 26 million just dropped to 20 million. So that means less and less Ethereums are on exchanges that investors could be sell. This chart shows us high rate on Ethereum deposition. This is Ethereum price and Ethereum deposition. Ethereum depositions in the smart contract and DeFi. So it's DeFi, sorry, it's DeFi. In DeFi smart contract, I think. Yes, deposits, depositor count total. Depositor count. Okay, so this is the Ethereum 2.0 contract. And this is the depositors numbers. And just see how it is increasing. With these positive fundamentals, return back to the previous all-time high of 4,360 in the long term will be a mild ambition price target for Ether. So that's all huge news about Ethereum, and let's get to the next news. Ethereum hard fork means lower gas fees and higher ETH pricing. So guys, okay, let's just check this gas fees, because you know the proof of the pudding is the eating. So where is this? Oh, this is not that. This is the CorionX farm. So let's check the gas fees. So you see the gas fees are really insane today. Let's refresh it. Oh, just went back, but you know, that was really huge. That was really huge. And we see the gas prices just went up. Okay, but it was also 3 gig away. But the maximum was 530 gig away. Well, who are the gas guzzlers? OpenSea, COVID punks, Uniswap, Axie Infinity, Tether, USD stablecoin, Uniswap free, USDC, BlockFi, Binance, Coinbase. Okay, guys, so gas consuming is going on, but Ethereums are burned. Okay, cool. So that I think we will go over from here, because making a Uniswap transactions for 30 US dollars is also expensive, but we'll see. Maybe as the Ethereum price is going up now, this is also can be a reason why the gas fees are so high. EIP 1559 introducing rent control on gas fees and periodic token burning to limit the available supply of Ether, creating pricing pressure. Why there is a lingering threat of disillusionment from miners, and app developers, should the upgrade fail to deliver promised improvements, all metrics show it's full steam ahead. Yeah, so everything's worked out well. And also important that as a user, you don't have to do anything. So if you have Ethereum in your wallet or an ERC20 tokens like CorionX, just you should keep in your wallet. If you provided liquidity, some liquidity pools on Uniswap or some of other farms, then you can just leave it there and nothing will happen. Okay, scarcity. Ethereum being valued analogous to oil and Bitcoin as gold. So Ethereum will be more scarce and scarce, that's for sure. Okay, guys, the next piece of news. Ethereum price could hit 3,000 this week. Metrics make a bullish case. Okay, now Ethereum price today reached 2,800. These numbers are a little bit outdated, but good to know that it could hit 3,000. We are not far away, but we will check it on our TradingView charts. Crypto analyst predicts massive Ethereum breakout, forecast new Bitcoin all-time high by November. Okay, who is this analyst? Okay, this consolidation will come to an end soon. The flippering is knocking the door. This is the Ethereum Bitcoin price, and the good news that Ethereum broke up, and then it's predict a huge run-up, but we will check it. This is Immortal Up only. I think the guy who is predicting this, he's predicting Bitcoin rhetorically rising to a new all-time high, and also as Ethereum will increase, then we will see much higher Bitcoin price, so 7,000. Bitcoin could top out at 150,000 in the first half of 2022. And he predicts the bull market acting so, but I think we already checked this chart. So these guys, this is about Ethereum. Hope you enjoyed, and let's get to the chart. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing today. You know, it's broke up from this falling wedge, and also we have this falling trend line here, and Ethereum tried to break it in the last weekend, but it failed, and now getting back and testing the trend line. This is also an important horizontal trend line, this 42,000 levels, and also this is the big downward trending trend line that definitely should be broken to get Ethereum back in the bullish mode, and this would mean the trend line would switch from bearish to bullish. And also let's check the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon, it's looking good. And what else do we have? Okay, yeah, moving averages, the 20-day moving averages here. We are about a 50-day moving average, but the 200-day moving average is here around 45,000. So we are not far away. And also, as the dance cross was here, that at end of August, if the Bitcoin price continue to go higher in this region, then we will see a golden cross, that a more accurate sign than the dance cross. And now we just have seen a higher low here, because there was no higher low in this chart, just 10 green candle. But now we confirmed a higher low. Now Bitcoin should make another higher high somewhere here, and a higher low, and that also would mean the trend reversed, and that would be the best sign to go in a full bullish mode. So guys, let's check Ethereum, because today we celebrate Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum did this W pattern with this double bottom, and also there was a neckline at 2,400. Ethereum broke this trend line, and also we had several downward trending trend lines here and also here, and you see that also Ethereum broke this, and this W pattern, double bottom pattern, always acting as a trend reversal. And I see that it's signaling me that the trend is reversing. The next levels we should watch is at around 2,900 because we have some few tops here, and this gives a horizontal level, horizontal resistance level for Ethereum. But the 3,000 is not, it's just, let's say it less than 10% away. If from here Ethereum would pump 8%, that we would reach the 3,000 US dollar level, and that would be huge. And also Ethereum did this higher low in the structure, and now it's turned to bullish again. Let's check what Ethereum doing against Bitcoin. Okay, as you know, Ethereum was a huge downtrend against Bitcoin on a weekly chart from the last bull market, and this huge downtrend switched to a bull trend, and now it was a nice run up here and ended in a descending triangle, and this descending triangle broke up into the direction of the trend. Good to see this triangle breaking up, and Ethereum closed let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 days about this level, and also did a kind of retest of this upper trend line of this triangle, and that's a good sign. So definitely bullish, and we can target these 0.1 at least, but before that 0.06. Let's check what the Bitcoin dominance is showing. Bitcoin's dominance just fall down to 45.5, 50, and now I don't know why, but maybe because the Bitcoin pump, it's just pumped a little bit, but I see that as we have a lower low here, then the trend, this short trend switched to upward trending. So I think that we will see more and more altcoins pumping, and I think I will bring you other coins, maybe Axis Infinity and other interesting coins tomorrow or within few days. So good to see that crypto market is performing well. And guys, before ending this, that I should definitely inviting you to come to our on this YouTube. As you are watching this YouTube, please smash the like, subscribe, push the bell notification all. Then you will be notified whenever we are going live or we upload a video, and then you will not miss any important information. And come here on our YouTube channel and go and watch the Get Helium miner for free. So this is a really big news. We already are dive deep in helium mining already, and now we see that through iGlobal there is a huge opportunity that CorionX community can get a helium miner for free. You can get this hotspot for free, and you will just operating this hotspot. You and iHub will be the owner, but iHub will share the mining revenue with you, and these miners can mine 10,000, 12,000 US dollar worth of helium tokens, and it's definitely, it costs nothing. Just you should pay the drop shipping cost, and also maybe some VAT or custom fee if there is any, but nothing else. And as you are just putting this hotspot in your Windows, that it will mine Helium, so you will be rewarded in Helium coins, and that you will really like it, because Helium price is always going up. It's a really strong project, and with this they are covering this Longify network around the globe. So definitely check out and sign up on this link. Sign up on this link, and as you will signing up, that you will come into the web office, and as you signed up, there will be a red button that order the device. Or if you miss that, then as you are logging into your web office, that go to reserve a hotspot, and then you will be here, fill out all with your details: name, email, phone number, street, city, zip code, your state if you are living in the US. If not, you are living in the US, then choose no states, country, and this is the delivery address and the install address where you want to put your machine. But later you can change the install address. First, just maybe put your initial address to here. So also you will be invite others to, because if you are living in a small city and nobody else, there is no other hotspot, then it's better you are using this affiliate invitation link, and then your friends also will be able to mine Heliums, and then you will be rewarded after their mining, and also your device can connect to their devices, so you can create a well-running network with your friends, and also you will be rewarded for that, and also your machine will earn more Helium for you. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and also you should definitely join our Telegram channel, CorionX, Money in the Right Direction. You find all the necessary and most important news, the Helium miner for free. Also the link, you find the link here. And what other most important that we updated are yield farms both on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. So now you can go farm. Just the staking on BSC is not working well yet, but all other farms on Binance Smart Chain and farm and staking on Ethereum working well. So you can definitely go and farm some. You see CorionX rewards. So guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow. Take care. Push the like and keep up your support. Where is this video? Okay, guys.